Hello everyone. My name is Arvind Panchal. I'm the CEO and founder of the Kailash Technology Private Limited, and I'm running the one institute, Kailash Institute of Technical Studies. As you know about myself, also I have shown in the last previous videos, I'm the IT professional since last 15 years. I'm working as an IT professional. I have done various certification and courses and diplomas and degrees in the IT field. Okay, and yes, I have worked with various multinational companies as well, and also I'm running my company now. I'm working as a CEO and founder. So here in this videos, my purpose to you guys to tell you and deliver you the some IT knowledge. Okay, and it's like it's responsibilities. After all, it's been 15 years now. It's some things that I should deliver back to my society. So today's topic is like what is LAN cable and how to make LAN cable. Okay, LAN cable to make LAN cables. Yes, we need such kind of tool. This is called crimping tools. We need RJ45 jack. This is the jack. Okay, this is two kind of the jack. One is professional one, the normal regular one. One is the easy lane. From the easy lane you can see there is a hole in front of it, so the beginner people can adjust the cables very easily. Okay, and this is for the professional and those professional who are expert with this. And this is the cat 6 wire. Okay, this is I took a wire for you as a demo, and in this wire I will cut in one hole, one side, and I will let you know how to create. See, as of now I have only this tool, but other side you might have other kind of tool also. They might be different like you have another tool from there, the special cutter and something. So I'm just going all the way directly cutting this wire. So this is I have cut this. Okay, and now I have to peel it back to make a cable. So yes, I wasn't having the tool, so yes, I just uh, feel it by this cutter, because I'm since so many years doing this thing, so I know. So within this wire, okay, this is the pillar. By this you peel the wire more if you want peel. There is support also comes in some cable, but there is no uh, like a backbone or support inside. So there is four pairs, eight wires. Okay, within this cat 6 wire you will have eight wires, four pairs. Each has a different coding, like white orange, orange white green, blue white blue, green white brown, and brown. This is the different kind of color code B, and also there is color code A. So that I will also present you in the presentation next, but let's see how we firstly make this wire. Okay, so let's start again. We have to straighten all the way this, and we have to set them in the color code. Okay, the same color code will be used to communicate different devices. Okay, and if you want to communicate with the same devices, of course you have to make a cross cable. So the cross cable rule is that the one sided, if you make white orange color class B, so the other side you have to use A. So this is how you make the cross cables, which is for you to connect the same devices. Like you want to connect printer to printer, computer to computer, router to router. This is way how you connect them. Okay, so you can see in this way short live video that how I'm making this wire. Let me make it proper so you guys can see it easily. Okay, then we are here going to set this one like this: white orange orange. We can cut this as well later: white orange orange, white green, blue white blue, green, and then other last pair is white brown and brown. So let's cut it. So now we have set the cables as per the color code. So here you can see the first cable is white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. It could be the other color code also. You can use the different color code. It can be start from white green as well. Okay, so here we will align it, and then we will cut it to adjust with the RJ45 connector. Let's cut this. Okay, I have cut this wire now. It is aligned with the proper length. So here I think yeah, this is the easy way, the easy lane. Let's put the wire inside and we can try. See, in this easy lane the wires are coming out and you can connect it by seeing. Okay, but we are going to crimp, not this one. Of course, I'm having experience on it, so I can do in one shot also. But when you try it, it might be multiple times can be wrong. Okay, so here I'm going to use the professional one because yes, of course I will need the professional one only. But make sure, see, the color code has been destroyed. So double verify. We have to tag the white green next to the orange. Always make sure the color codes is correct. Otherwise, your cable will not work. You have to crimp it again. So yes, yeah, it is the video and I'm in hurry, so it's not correct. But when we are making a proper cables, we have to correct it always. Okay, so this is how I think it's a longer. So I will cut it little bit. Let's remove it before crimping and cut it little sharp. Let's cut it back. Okay, I have cut it little bit and let's pull it back. Yes, no, the color code has destroyed again. Let me hold it properly and do it again. Okay, why? Oh wow, this is the easy lane I was trying because I thought why it's directly going inside. That was the easy lane, yeah. So it's my bad. Let's connect it back. Okay, this is what I see it. You can see all the 8 wires of the edge of the connectors. Okay, now it is fitting inside. It is also inside. Okay, so we are gonna crimp it. We select here what pairs we have. 8 pairs. We select the here and we crimp it. So now it's not gonna come out. Okay, you can see all the 8 wires and later on we can test it also, the cables. If you want to test it, we can have testers, cable testers. You can test it. 8 light of the tester should be blinking together. Okay, so how we make the cables. Let me go through with the demo session as well. The specific window I will open for you. Let's go to the count tab. I'll select the entire screen. Okay, let me share it with you guys and open a specific document. Okay, here you can see the screen. I was presenting the presentations. Here you can see how to make a cables and what is the Ethernet cables. By the way, for the same also you can find a video. Okay, so here I was talking about the twisted pair cables. This is the twisted pair cables, UTP, shielded and unshielded. Okay, it has 2 types. Okay, and the Ethernet cables, I showed you the real time twisted pairs, reap code. Okay, this is the reaping one, the spine or the backbone supporter. Okay, and it I was talking about this 2 color code, A standard and B standard. A standard is green white and the B standard which we make it now. So this is how I present you how to make and this is RJ45 connectors. This is the easy lane I was talking and this is the professional one. And the tools which I was talking about, this is the bundle of tools. It has cable testers, crimpers and the other cutters and various other things as well. So you can see this is the cables how it look like. I showed you also in the video. So thanks again for watching my videos and I hope you enjoy this. So let's end the session here. Thank you again for watching my video.